All right, guys, we got a 2021 Dodge Durango SRT 392. This is what it sounds like before. Go ahead. Again. Not bad at all. Your sound decibels. Again, right at 99. All right, we'll let you guys hear it after. All right, guys, 2021 Dodge Durango 392. Beautiful car. I don't know how many miles are on it, but very little. Anyways, got factory converters there and there, and we did our signature true dual straight pipe, as you guys can see. So we cut the mid muffler off there and there, run true duals all the way in the back, to the back, there and there, out the back. Did a rear resonator delete also. He likes it loud, I don't blame him. There and right there. Into some 4-inch black tips. Came out really nice by 12s. Be a link in the description for them. There's the two mufflers that were on it. I mean resonators, and there's the big muffler in the middle. So basically it just lost about 50 pounds worth of weight just by doing that. That's what it looks like after. Came out really nice, really clean. We'll let you guys hear it, and there's that SRT right there. And there we go. My God. That actually made me step back, guys. Your sound decibels again. Again. 121. Wow. I'm gonna back it out. It's got a nice idle to it too. Durango SRT 2021 true dual straight pipe. Oh, let you guys hear this. Durango SRT 392 2021 Beast true dual straight pipe. Watch how it's gonna fly away. Wow, you can still hear it.